Angus, where's Vince? There you are.
Hi, honey.
Hi.
Hey, you want to see my hammock stand?
Yeah, show us your hammock stand.
Come on over. Check it out. Hi, I'm Vince from 2 Weeks in a Hammock. And my wife and I do like to do winter camping, but we also like to have our hammock set up indoors, especially during the holidays when we have lots of guests over. And I built this hammock stand a number of years ago when I started building my own hammocks because I needed some place to try them out, you know, indoors. And this is very simple. It's just 2x4s. I have 2x4s for the uprights, two of them side by side, and then another 2x4, keeping them spread out on the top. The uprights, I did put a couple screws in just to keep them together, and then I used an angle brace to attach the top to the uprights. And I did also add a block of wood between the upright and the wall to give a little bit of space that I can pass a hammock strap behind. And most importantly, though, the block of wood is attached to the wall and the hammock stand upright is attached to that block of wood so that the whole hammock stand doesn't go sideways when you get in it, because that wouldn't be good. So very simple and very cheap, and that's all there is to the stand. Now the hammock itself is actually a tablecloth from the tableclothfactory.com. It is 13 feet wide by 7.5 feet. 13 feet long by 7.5 feet wide. And I added a channel for shock cord so that the top of it doesn't flop down in your face when you're sleeping at night. And I also added a zipper, so this can zip entirely shut around you, adding extra warmth in the winter or keeping bugs out in the summer. And the underquilt is made by Paul McWalters of Underground Quilts in Jackson, Michigan. And this is the extreme winter special build for me. It's extra long, 0 degree, overstuffed, with his hyper dry 850 goose down. And this underquilt is served me well for about 7 years now. And I also added a ridge line, and just to keep the angle of the hammock, and a gear loft to the ridge line with 4 pretty spacious pockets, and each pocket has sub pockets, so things like a phone or battery charger can stay upright and the cords don't get bent, and you can easily access those items. This hammock is very comfortable. Very comfortable. My wife and I both use it together when we go camping, and you can sit in it sideways. It's wide enough we can really stretch out perpendicular, or we can just sit and enjoy a meal together, or recline, take a nap. And obviously sleep at night. Now, I do tend to be a side sleeper, and having a hammock this wide, side sleeping is no problem at all. You can find a nice diagonal and get full support. And roll around and still be pretty darn flat. And it's very comfortable year round. And so that is our main camping gear. So thanks for checking it out. Have a Merry Christmas.